It's Wednesday, Miyerkules na naman, and it's time for what? Word of the day. Word of the day. It's gonna be our word of the day. It's beside me. Tadtaran. Can you say tadtaran, Mudra?
Tadtaran.
She's busy. Tadtaran. 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 Maybe you can use another one. The kasirola. Kasirola. That's our quick word of the day. Tadtaran. Tadtaran. What's tadtaran in English?
Cupboard.
What?
Cupboard.
See? I'm deaf. Now we're going to use our tadtaran chopping board, cutting board. So what do you want me to make, Mama? Bawang, sibuyas, kamatis, luya. Okay, that's all for our word of the day. Tadtaran. Tadtaran.